In this video, we're reviewing BundleApps, an AI-powered suite that combines 12 different marketing and content creation tools into one cloud-based platform. The idea is simple. Instead of paying for separate subscriptions for things like voiceovers, websites, apps, SEO tools, and graphics, you get all of them bundled together under one dashboard that works straight from your browser. What makes it interesting is the variety of tools included. You have powerful features like Voice GPT AI for creating realistic voiceovers, Sites Flow AI for quickly building full websites, AI App Maker to turn ideas into mobile apps, and AI Video Books for transforming content into engaging video formats. These tools help solopreneurs and content creators produce professional-grade digital assets without hiring out or subscribing to multiple software services. The platform is beginner-friendly, no coding or technical experience needed, and everything runs in the cloud. This can save significant money and time compared to traditional software stacks. However, because there are so many tools packed in one place, there's a bit of a learning curve up front. Plus, some of the more premium features are part of paid upgrades. But for the price point and range of functionality, it's a strong contender if you want to streamline your process and create more with less. If you're serious about scaling your content production or offering services to clients, BundleApps deserves a look. Check the link in the description below to explore the platform, see pricing, and get started. Don't miss this opportunity to simplify your workflow and unlock powerful AI tools with just one platform.